Mr. Walden, did you visit your aunt often?
But whenever I could.
You earlier heard Mr. Fairbanks give his account of the events of that particular night. Did it seem correct to you?
Yes.
Could you tell the court what happened next?
I noticed that the sliding door in the living room was open, so I ran out onto the balcony. And I jumped down into the alley.
And?
That man.
My client.
I saw him trying to get away, so I tackled him.
And you're certain that he was the man who robbed and killed your aunt?
When I tackled him, some of my aunt's jewelry fell out of his pocket.
What do you want?
Well, it is fortunate that you got there just in time to capture Mr. Lassiter.
If only I'd gotten there sooner, she'd still be alive.
The police went through the crime scene thoroughly. You know, I just kept staring at this photograph and couldn't help but wishing that there had been a witness to what had happened. And then I realized there was. Defense calls Shirley Walden.
Order! Order!
Your Honor, Shirley was Edna's friend and constant companion, and as we can all see from the police photograph, she witnessed everything. Shirley is an African gray parrot. Research has shown that these birds definitely have intelligence potential. They can perform the same cognitive tasks as chimpanzees, dolphins, 4-year-old children. They can identify 50 or more objects, count to 6, differentiate between colors, objects, people. Mr. Lassiter, would you offer Shirley a peanut?
Charlotte wants peanut. Thank you.
Darren, you must know Shirley really well, huh? Would you mind giving her a peanut?
Peanut.
Sure.
Peanut. Ah! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Don't hurt me! Ah! Don't hurt me!
Order! Order!
Your aunt caught you, didn't she? Trying to steal her money and her jewels. You lost your temper and you hit her. She kept crying out, "Don't hurt me, don't hurt me." You panicked, you hit her harder, just to get her to be quiet. When you realized what you had done, you opened the door to the alley to make it look like an intruder had escaped that way. And that's when you saw my client, poor defenseless old man, homeless, going through the trash cans. You thought, perfect scapegoat. So you ran out, you told Mr. Fairbanks to call for help, you jumped in the alley, you tackled Mr. Lassiter and conveniently dropped a couple of pieces of your aunt's jewelry nearby.
I didn't mean to kill her. I didn't.
No more questions, Your Honor.